fine. Hi everybody, Ivan is here, and for today's stream I want to work on developing Serde-flow, the library that helps you to versioning your deserialization data. And unexpected that in this free copyright music I hear a singing person. Okay, I hope for the next videos they will be without any type of voice, but maybe during the programming session it would be nice to have in the music some kind of vocals, but during the presentation when I start speaking what I want to work on today, I definitely don't like this kind of thing when someone is singing, and I'm expecting that it will be now. No, that's fine. So I posted on Twitter about the stream. Maybe I will see someone on this stream, that would be nice. And yeah, developing and yeah. So I'm going to develop the library today, and maybe even I will have enough time to publish this library and test it a bit. So let's go. I will share the desktop screen very soon, and of course, by the way, check out my nice Neovim cup. So we are ready here. Moved in a Serde-flow folder. We can use lazy git to check if everything we need to update. So pulling changes, nothing. I was working only on this PC. So I use the nvim. This is a GUI for working with Neovim. And why I prefer GUI? I think I prefer GUI because it's just a separated window from my terminal, but on my other machines I'm preparing the new type of configuration for the Neovim, and maybe it will be really interesting to you to see that later, how I configured it for Neovim inside of my terminal. And I'm going to prepare these changes for my Windows machine. Here I'm working with the nvim, but I prepared the old version with the pure Neovim implementation without any additional configuration, only my own configuration, how I did it in the beginning of this channel when I explained it, how I configured Neovim step by step. So I think I reached the level when I configured everything by myself, and then later I decided that I'm too bored by spending all of my time, or not all of my time, but a lot of time investing in configuration for the Neovim, and I decided I will switch to some smart guys who spend more time than me on this configuration, and I will continue using. And Astromim was a really good deal, and I switched, and here you see this Astromim. It's nothing else. That's Astromim configuration with some of my updates, but that's exactly the Astromim. And then I did some changes. I don't know what is the enough size for you. Maybe like this would be fine. Okay, so yeah, what I was talking about. I was talking about that then I switched to Astromim because I didn't want to spend so much time on that, but then later I decided, oh no, I want to spend the time and configure it properly, and I sit on the table again and I start the configuration since the beginning, and I literally changed a bit this thing, and that helped me a lot because I've seen how it works, and I mean, I understand that it helps me with what I was talking about. Sorry, I was opening the comments on the YouTube because I sorry. Okay, now I see the comments on YouTube, so thank you very much. So yeah, I think I will play later today, not now but a bit later. And yeah, back to the Neovim configuration. I mentioned that that for Neovim I switched to the Astromim, and then I decided, okay, I can try one more time and configured that since the beginning. And it was okay. I spent some time to configure it with the Alacrity terminal plus Selig, like my alternative for Temux, and Selig works everywhere, including Windows. That's why I think it will be really nice to see that later, how it works. And then I configured it with the plugins that I want and with the k-bindings that I used, and yeah, it works perfectly. So a bit later I will move my configuration to the Windows and prepare a video about that. Let's back to the coding. Let's see where I stopped. Okay, let's give some time our Rust analyzer. So let's run a couple of tests. So, and I think I have a failed. Yes, of course, because I spend a lot of time to preparing. Let me check it where it was. Here. I spent a lot of time to writing a proper documentation, and now you can see this documentation here. So let's fix the errors. For sure it doesn't work properly because of a lot of these inputs, and they are not correct at all. Let's see. For example, we have the error and 72. Okay. Here we go. We have the problems. Yeah, of course we have the problems because there is no encode in the codes. Okay. I'm thinking what we have to start now. No, I think we have to start with the configuration of it. And where I have a configuration, I have an encoder. And yes, no, not encoder, the flow. Inside of the flow, we can configure we can use the Serde-flow with a couple of traits, the file migrate, the same for the async, file async, and file migrate async, and we can use bytes. When you don't want to store something on your drive, you can use the pure bytes. And the pure bytes, it's how you can work with the in-memory implementation of the migration. Let's think what we can do with that, and I think I have some kind of idea how to implement these traits in more easiest way. And how we implementing them? I have a derive here, the Serde-flow derive library, and inside of this library crate we have our parser and generator. So this is the main function, the flow derive, and here we have the parser. Okay, that's pretty much clear. And let me think what else I need. Let's move, and I think then not bench, but here one crate bytes migration rust bytes migration. Do you have anything about that? No, nothing. Let's include it. It should be configuration test pub mode bytes migration. Here we go. Okay, fine. Okay, bytes migration. Here we go. And let's implement the struct. What I want to use, I want to implement the struct. Let's call this struct my struct. I think I want to use something more generalized. And here inside of the struct, I want to have the field 1. This will be a string. And the value 1. Unsigned 32. Without 1, because it's just one field. Right. Why do we need a 1 inside of the field when we have only one field? And I'm not going to create more fields, so it's just one field. Okay. Then what I want to use, I want derive from Serde, serialize, deserialize. Then I need flow, and along that I need the flow variant 1, or let's say variant 3, and then what I need else, and I need bytes. That's what we need to implement, and let's use Serde serialize, deserialize, and that would be enough. Okay, and I want to see, can I import it? Yes, I can import Serde-flow. Perfect. And with Serde-flow, I want to import more things. I want to import flow bytes trait because we need it, and I want to import encoder, beancode encoder. Yeah, they are not used now, but they will be used later. Okay. Then we have one struct. Then we implement the second struct. Right? What did I do? And then it's variant 2. Let's do something like that. Okay. 4. Then what do we have now? We have a couple of serialization. So we have serialized, first serialized, and 2 variants. And this probably, that was the first variant, right? So this is the first variant. Let's say value, I don't know, value 32, something like that. It doesn't matter exactly what we are doing here. value 1, 2, 32. Like that. Okay, and then the next what we want to have variants, and now I want to list them. Struct v2 and my struct v1. Correct. Then let's continue this test. Up. Migrates. Float from variant 1. Let's do that. Float from. Aha! No, we don't have load. We have encode. Nah, decode or encode. Decode. Decode from variant 1. And here what I need to do, I have to implement the first struct. So my structs, which version do I want? I want the version 1. So my struct version 1 fields name. It doesn't matter exactly what we're entering here, but I will show you my idea a bit later. And here we have value 1, 10, and value 2, 20. Also, what we need to implement, we have to implement from. We need to implement from my struct value 1 for my struct. Okay. What I want to do now, I want to do something like that. My structs, normal my struct field format. Sorry, format name value of different structs and value 2. Perfect. Here we go, and now we need to do the same from version 2 to our version 3, because the latest struct is version 3 actually. What I want to do here, I want to do value, and a value. Let's rename it to object. Item probably would be the better name. And here, object. Oh, guys, I forgot the one thing. You will appreciate that. I'll remember that you like to see my combination. Here we go, and let's see the key pressing. Here we go. Nice. So I implemented 2 from traits for my main structs. Maybe we can do something more with it. Let's do a bit more. Version 1 for struct, version 2. Quite unusual. And here, let's say we still have the value name. Yep. So we have name, and here we have value, and value will be the object value 1 plus object value 2. That's exactly what I want to do. Now I know. You do have no field. Why no field if it's there? My struct. Yeah, boy. V2. Correct, correct. Now you can see how you mix that. You can implement for your version variant, sorry, for your second variant, you can implement this variants, and here you can do my struct version 1. Good. Continue, line 17. What I want to do, I want to do the following thing, bytes, and then my struct 1 encodes. And here I'm waiting something like, let's do this one. I don't want to do unwrap. Result, nah. Don't want to do that. Unwrap. That would be more than 5. But there is no encode there. Exactly. There is no encode there. But I will do. And then my struct 3. Right? My struct. Normal my structs. Decodes from bytes unwrap. That's what I want to do. And then assert, I want to have, what do I want to have? What do I want to have? I want to have name 30. That's what I want to have. So my struct 3 field should be equal to this. Stir. We'll see later how it works. So that's what I want to have, encode and decode. Now let's implement it. In my parser, I already have the verification for the bytes. And you see, these bytes, let's verify. Here we go. I'm checking that inside of the fields, right? No, inside of the flow, yeah, of course. Inside of the flow, I do have bytes, and if it's so, I set the flag for the main struct, I set the flag true. So I'm setting the major flags here, the all flags actually. I'm setting the all flags inside of the struct in this method when I'm parsing the flow, except the parsing variants, that's a different attribute. Wow. What next do we have? What we can do next? We have a variance. I'm thinking about the generation. So the generation, it doesn't matter. So during the generation, a generative file. Okay. During the generation file, I verify if it's zero copy or not zero copy, and also verify if it's file. I think I need to implement the same thing. So generate. I want to generate what I want to generate bytes, self, previous procmark, and return the procmark to token stream. Right. if self. Correct, correct. To me, it looks correct. I use generate bytes per something like that, right? Go there, please. But if I need to generate them, I think I already have a perfect function. I have a function loads from path, but it's not truly load from path, right? Or not. Now I think I need to rediscover this type of function. I want to reuse it, and I'm thinking, how can I reuse it, and how I can avoid this implementation with the async, but it's all the time should be blocking. At least for now. Maybe later I will update it. So here I can assume that I do have a byte already, so the byte is already there. I can assume it, right? And only one problem that I do have now. What I can do with that? What I can do with that? That's a bit complicated. How can I reuse it? I so badly want to reuse it, but I'm thinking, how can I do that? How can I do that? Ideas. I think you can do that. I think I need to implement two functions. One will be called encode with version. Okay, encode with version. Process returns the proc macro. You can stream. And the second one, I'm going to decode with version. Sure. So, decode with version. I think that's two functions that I want to use, but it will be really... Oh yeah. Look, I can even check if it's zero copy, then do this. But if it's not zero copy, do that. Or should I follow the best practices and how I use it? If it's not zero copy, if it's zero copy, please do this. And if it's not zero copy, do that. Correct. How should it work? We have, let's start with the simple one, a save to path. Here we go. We have a save to path, a function body. Don't tell me that I already have a function for that. No, I don't. Well, I don't have a function for that, but I want to reuse it. So I'm gonna use this one. This. Yes, I know. Try verify right. Yeah. Of course. For object, current entity or name, I will get them later, but this is a normal one, right? Yeah, a normal one. Now I have to find the zero copy one. This is zero copy, right? No, it's not zero copy. Yeah, of course, sure. I'm a bit confused. So here we go. Zero copy. Okay. No, you're already telling me that I'm doing that wrong. No, that's correct. Here we go. Okay. Okay. That's how it works. It looks simple, and I don't need to use try verify right. No. Encode with version. Okay. So for zero, not non-zero copy. Okay. Okay. Now you're not. Don't trick me. Save to path. Are you telling me that for zero copy it's more than enough to use it as is, and I don't need to copy more of it? Sounds awesome. So I need to have a current variant only for that? With zero copy? I have two additional for serializing with Serde. So wow, I think we will reuse it completely, and it will be perfectly reusable for the encoding bytes. Yep, it's blocking. Yeah, of course it's blocking. I don't need to have it now. Nice. I think we have the encoded version properly. Cool. I like it. I like how it look like. So I can use... Can I? I can, I think I can. So here, encode body, and self encode with version. Correct. Now I can use it like this. Encode body, and it needs to have also this. Encode with version. Yes, encode with version. And here we'll define, does it have, correct, does it have zero copy, or it's completely a Serde-like implementation? So if it's Serde-like, it's fine. Wow, good. So we have encode body here. And moreover, I think I don't even need... Do I? Yeah. No, I don't. Serde-flow encoder. I still do. I still need it, but the functional body will be the same. Here and here. I don't need it anymore because I have a functional body and it works. Functional body encode, correct? Oh, because it will be calculated inside of the encode function. If it's zero copy, if it's blocking, do this. If it's not blocking, do that. I'm thinking how can I optimize that, because I don't like this part with, I have the ending with the async and not async. How can I improve it? How? I will think later, but I think it's possible to improve it and reduce all of these things. I mean, reduce this stuff. I would really like to want to reduce it, but for now I don't know how to. I don't want to spend on that time, maybe later. So we have some kind of nice deserialization, right? What I want to do next, I want to I want to command it out, and I want to run almost ready to run it. Thanks for the timeout. It's timeout. I have a variant to generate the bytes. Go there, generate bytes. Just return something. Just something completely empty. Let's test it. Zero copy, yeah, of course. I just want to do that gradually to test if everything works fine. Almost. Come on, I know. So, you can see that 18 tests are fine. 18 tests have been executed correctly. Good. Nice music. Exactly for this moment. I like it. Yeah, if I would have kind of people in stream now, that would be nice to answer on their questions, but maybe my stream is too boring and I don't have any type of questions. But anyway, I'm going to continue streaming every day, not every day, but when I'm developing something, I want to continue streaming. And to me, I don't care about my pronunciation, and I know that I'm making a lot of mistakes in my English, but I have a passion. I want to share this passion with the world, with the people. And if you will come here or for the next streams, I would be really happy if you write down in the comments what do you want to watch, and maybe not exactly what you want to watch, because I'm still going to stream what I want, because I have a lot of passions and I don't want to convert in a full stream style blogger or something like that, streamer, how you call them. I want to developing software, and I like developing, and I like to work with the people, and still chat is empty. But if you will find this stream later and you listening that in the background, I don't know, just write down in the comments what should I do to get more people here. Why, for example, you're not found me in exact moment of time, because I don't know, maybe I picked up the wrong time and you prefer to have a different time for that. But I'm still working like a software developer, so in a full time, maybe yeah, if I would earn enough from Twitch, then I would left work and start working during the days on the streams. But now for now, let's continue. What I want to implement next, then I want to implement the decode, and decode will be much bigger, but should be not so a bit confused. I'm a bit confused. Why I'm confused? Decode 0 copy file, a normal file. What? Yeah, I have just one method for, yeah, I was confused that I have two different methods for create them for zero copy and not for zero copy, but inside of this methods I still have, I'm reusing the same components. Go and change them. What I can change. I want to keep it here, but I need this format. Format is invalid. Correct. This is a zero copy or not? Tell me. It's not a zero copy. Okay, it's not a zero copy, so I continue working with that. Here we go, decodes. Go inside. Return. Load from path. Perfect. Zero copy. No, not zero copy. Why I misused it? Not misused, but it's so confusing. I'm a terrible developer. I'm not really using it, okay. This inputs. Maybe I have to move it somewhere. Nice music. God saves me, I hope this is a royalty-free music. I really hope it's royalty-free music. At least on YouTube music it states that this whole playlist is royalty-free music. I hope so. Go. What do I need to do here? I need to find constants. What? Load from path. Here we go. I need this component. Here go. With zero copy, I want to copy this part. Yes, I do need this part. Huh? Yes, it's a normal deserialization because we do the copy from variant. Correct, correct. File reads. I don't need a file read. Bye. It's never used. It will be used very soon. And I'm responding to this yellow warning. It seems like only non-zero copy left to implement. But it was a non-zero copy. Thanks, Ivan, for confusing yourself. You're a genius in that. Confusing yourself one more time. You definitely need to rethink how we use this zero copy. Safety was you really don't. What? You're not using it at all? Ooh, nice. Have you seen this meme? When the guy just... Nice. Same thing, I would say it's famous meme. Okay, components. Go there. I have to use the whole functionality of the nvim, but and the Vim in general, but I all the time forgot that I have a lot of brilliant combination that I'm not using, and I don't know why. I really don't know why. Okay, where is the zero copy? Where is the zero copy? This is non-zero copy. Here we go. This is the zero copy. Function body, okay, function body. Let's copy that completely. Thank you. I don't need to verify this part, but I do need to return it, and I don't need to have a file read. But I do need to define for zero copy the flow ID. And when the flow ID is defined, when the flow ID is defined, then I can iterate over this much structs. Because for the flow ID, I use unsigned 16 constant, and this constant generated by the derive, and when you do the match, it should be insanely fast to detect what kind of variant do you use. Only one thing you need to have is a proper number, and this number must be properly stored or written on your disk drive. That's only one reason what you need to use to get it work properly. Only one thing. So let's continue. That should be my second name. Remove the first name 2 bytes from the original. Yes. Extract the first 2 bytes. Yes. Convert. I don't know why I'm reading it. I'm reading it to think a little bit more about it. Okay, it seems like I can continue working on it. So it's normal, non-zero copy. And it should be here also. Normal, non-zero copy. And here is only 0 copy. Okay, go up, load from, by... I'm too scared to do that, but let's do that. And here the codes with version, right? Version and self-decoded version. What did I do? What am I doing wrong in my life? And here, decode with version. Correct? Correct. Decode with version. Decode with version. Okay. Scary things. So now I have a decode with version. Code with version. Let's clean it up a bit. So I need a file read, decode with version. Okay, correct. And here I have a file read and decode with version. And for the file read, it's defined inside of their methods, and the file read also defined it. Oh, sorry, and the code with version also decided inside of the function, inside of the component function. Okay. Let's run it. Let's run the tests. Saves God, I implemented a lot of good tests. Right. All tests. Rust. All of them. 18. And we have only errors in the doc test. You know that in Rust you can have a doc test, and it's very convenient because if you're writing uncompilable, unworkable documentation test, that's pain in the ass, actually. Okay, it works, and now, oh boy, and now we can easily implement that generate bytes, right, generate bytes. One moment. I'm still here, but I need to check something. I am back. Let's continue with the development of the Serde-flow. Here we go. Let's continue, and now we are ready to implement it. Okay. What we can do the following things. Yeah. Bit excited to continue working at. So we have a self bytes verifying return generate bytes. So what we can do, we need to implement Serde-flow bytes or we need a struct name. Not here, but yeah, for struct name. Struct name. So we do need to implement this. Bytes and also for struct name. The music. Serde-flow. Flow. Am I correct? Serde-flow, async results. Yeah. Sorry, man. I had 666. I don't know what does a name what does it mean? Like EHET 666 from Pakistan. Hi man. Or maybe not man, I don't know. Sorry for yeah. But anyway, hi. Nice to see you here. Let's continue. So Serde-flow. No, what I'm doing. Copy that. Not T, but struct name. Struct name. Correct. Let me change on the screen. I want to watch. I wanna open a channel. I wanna watch my stream to see the comments because I missed the comments from this guy, and I feel really guilty that there's only one comment on YouTube ever, and I missed this comment. Feel guilty for that. Still trying to used to for that type of thing. How can I switch accounts? YouTube. Here we go. Wanted to see my live. The comments. Go. I'm there. I need to turn off the voice, right? Can I do that? Sorry for noise. No. How can I turn off the noise? No, noise. My voice like noise. No, I mean a real voice. Okay, I can turn off the voice on a device, right? Second. Okay. good to go. The code and code. Okay. Serde-flow, struct bytes. And what do I want to do here? Yes, you know it. Self is zero copy. Yeah, exactly. If it's a zero copy, do this. Bam. And for not zero copy, do that. Zero copy. Zero copy. Fingers. Yes, so. Zero copy. Oh. Yeah, it's incorrect. Because it must be a reader. Do you really need it? Yes, you do need it. For sure. Yeah, it's how it works. The codes and codes. Yeah, and here you still need to provide the full versional bytes. If it's zero copy, you need to provide the full version of it, and it will be just a reader. Like that. Encoder, decoder. Tell me please, this is not... Wait. Wait. I don't like this music because it sounds like a Paramore. I don't want to be blocked. I don't want to be blocked on Twitch because of this music list, on this playlist from YouTube Music, I hope. Okay. Let's continue with that. With this playlist. And I hope everything will be fine. It would be so sad if they blocked that. That would be for no reason, I would say. Send a heart in a YouTube. Okay. So, actually it doesn't matter at all, but components, load from path. Have this one. Just decoded version. A little bit, yeah. So I can encode the version. Encode with version. Okay. Put with version. What? expected. Yeah, of course it's expected something different because I have to return it. And here it should be this. Encode the codes. The code with version. Okay. Now I have an encoding and decoding, and if it implements the proper bytes, then it should work. Let's do the mental checklist. We implement the trait, bytes. We differentiate between zero copy, with it, and with normal deserialization, and everything lies inside of the encoding with version function. Correct. Sounds good. Do you see that? Here we go. Go. No. Or maybe, yeah. Lifetime. I really do need a lifetime or not? Oh, yes, I do need it. Okay, I forgot about that. What do you want from me? Archive. Encode returns bytes and decode returns the object, and the reader must be the type. Do you have any? No, I don't. Missing a lifetime. Why do you want it? You don't need it. You really don't need it. You don't need it here. Why you need it here? Trait. Flow results. Reader. Nothing special. Go one more test. Expected named lifetime parameter. But in the previous one you are not expected that. Static? You really want to have static? Static like this. Go. Cannot apply. Of course, I see the mistake, but yeah. What am I doing here wrong? Bytes. Yeah, it should be equal. Now it's equal. Not a sequel, but it should be. Bytes migration again. Problems with the bytes migration. You're waiting for the results and returns something wrong. No tail or return expression. Okay. Flow. Oh. My struct, please. I know. Okay. So, this is my part. Only for the first part, right? Right. What is wrong here? Okay, flow ID, some kind of problems with the flow ID. Repetitive. Ah, deserialization. I see, I definitely missed that part. Okay, it sounds reasonable. Serde-flow. For bytes, serialize. It really wants to have it, then my struct from. Just missed the one part. Okay. So, I want to have this part. Right. Let me check how it looks for this. Yes, encoder, tail. Copying badges for A. With zero copy. For zero copy, I use the zero copy, and I don't need to have encoder, any type of encoder here. But for the Serde, I do need to have this type of encoder. And one more time, saved. Okay, let's run one more time. Oh yeah, sure. I need to provide this encoder. Expected argument list. No, you don't. Okay, I will accept. Vscode. Encoder. Go. Expected enum results. So the problem with bytes. With bytes. Found unit type. Okay. Think. My struct. My struct. Here we go. That's a first or second? That's a first. Go to the second one. Third one. No. Oh yeah, this one is correct. what I am doing. Enter it. Okay, you don't like these flows, fine. But you still a version, you have to implement them. My struct, version 2, version 1. Okay. And it returns my struct. Yes, it does. Yeah, got it. The problem could be potentially with this part. So I have a Serde-flow. Oh, you don't see my desktop. Now you do. Sorry for that thing, but I'm researching the problem that I do have inside of this struct. And the problem that I'm already testing my struct, but for some reason it doesn't work. It says something about the paths, blah, blah, blah. What about my struct v2? Can I find? Yes, and I think it's not generated. I think the problem exactly with this that I'm not generating them. Search. Damn, I was just a speaking head, and you was watching me doing something, but I wasn't showing the desktop. Sorry, I'm really sorry for that. Okay, and I think I'm generating these things inside of the file, and I need to move all them from the file. What do you do? Generated this content. Generated content. Or even worse. Generated IDs. Got it. And my mistake with this, because the helpful details is not weren't generated. The problem exactly with this part. Okay. Generated bytes. And for who you use this previous? They already extracted, but I just forgot to use a previous. Run. Is your problem? What is your problem? Dude. Okay. Mice. Struct. This is a my struct. The flow to the next flow. Copy. Go. Paste. Ah, got it. That's a big problem. No, it's not a big problem. I don't know why I say that. It's not a big problem at all. I just need to return the total bytes. Look. Total bytes. Go and check for ammo. Go there. For 0 copy it's total bytes, and total bytes for the normal one. Left 30 and right 10. Fail it. At least it's compiled. Really? Left is 30 and right is 10. So it just took the first part of it. From my struct v1. Okay, this is my struct v1, and I have this struct. I think the problem with the migration, I assume, it's some kind of, let's print len object. I do class v1 v2 object value 1 object value 2. Does this migration or not? Oh yeah, of course, I misspelled it. It should be 1, 1, 1, 1. That's why it's mistake. Let's see. Well, no worries, it's a different one. It was scary as hell. Here we go, and we have followed the test passed. Not all, but for the migration. Good. Let's do a couple of them. I want to test it for the code v2, the codes v2 from v1. Let's create v1 and the code v2, and in v2 we want to have a name nothing, and for the value, yeah, please, it's 2. What do I want to have? Think. 2 should be like that. 2 detail value, and the value must be 30. And also I want to add one more test. One more test should be the code from empty returns empty returns error. Good. So empty bytes correct. Empty bytes. What I'm going to return here? It's results. My struct v2. Wait. It doesn't matter actually what kind of struct I'm trying to decode. What is matter that it does have anything inside. Come on. Valid input of what? I think it's not the best way to do that, but I will do. Format invalid. Kind of semicolon. Run. What? Oh yeah. It's good. I still think maybe I can do this, but I don't remember. I think matches this. I can use this. Yeah. Right? This still should be a result. Let's result equal this thing. And the result. Error. Serde-flow. Format invalid. Let's run it. Go. It's correct. Nice touch. Let's do one more time. Decode from do I have variant not found? Decode from not found variants. Good. for that reason, we got from not found variant, I can do something like, let's do with variant 20 to 16 to 3 bytes to vector. No, I can't do that with this. Yeah, because I used the variant different type. What I can do, I can choose the variant here. Version 20. Version 20, let's say it will be just have a one number. Like that. Would be fine. My struct 20. My struct version 20. Value 20. Value 20, yeah, why not? And then my strict you can decode, come on. Encode, I would say. Encode. Encoder. Bytes. And should be variant not found. What the problem with the bytes? Oh yeah. Unwrap. Go. Do you know you can run it with cargo next test run. It will be a bit pleasant output, like this. Oh, it skipped dog tests completely. So we have 22 tests and all of them passed correctly. Nice, nice. What I can do next? So we tested this type of variants, decoded them. Good. And what if I want to fix this test inside? Let's do that quickly. We have a lot of comments and we have the errors inside of them. How can we fix them? We need an encoder. Not this one, not this one, not this one, and then not this, and we need this. And also cargo best suit. I need a def dependency. Cargo. Ah. Cargo of this. Then file. Now we can do the same thing that we're doing inside of the tests. We can create a temp file. We can even hide it. Let's name it busboof. Yeah, sure. Come on. I think I can do something like that to hide them from to be viewed. Path, something like a path. Oof, as path. Why don't need it? Need it in different place. Do I need it with this variant? save the file. Yes, to path. Of course I do. I need it. I need also. How do I do that? Okay. Hide it. Don't want to hide the other things, but hide only this one. Should work. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see. I do unwrap, and I just at least with one. Shouldn't be so complicated. 6 passed, 8 failed. 8 failed. 8 failed. Let me check the one thing. Because I have the similar library, and I think I found a way how I can work with that. An interesting question. What do you think? In the side of the doc test, does it work with the macro test? It should work, right? Because macro test, if you're working with the document test, it should work. Everything should be exactly the same. Yeah, I'm correct with this part, but doesn't correct with the other part. So we have this test failed. Let's implement a main. And hide it. Hide main. What happens now? 8 failed, 6 passed. Again, 8 failed, still there. It's not with the bytes. Let's go and test it with the bytes. Main. Eight failed. Still 8 failed. It's all derived. Everything looks good. 8 failed. Why? Am I doing something wrong? No. Use Serde-flow encoder bin codes JSON encoder. Serde-flow encoder. Do you really want to use the encoder? Okay, I got it. Oh, a couple of them. Fine. Okay. Line 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3, 9. Oh. No, looks fine. What are you talking about? Alright. Right. My fault. Is there any more errors like that? Go one more time. 7 failed, 7 passed. Closer and closer, closer and closer. Okay. Here we go. Let's continue fixing. What is the problem? 190. Low zero copy. No, I'm using a zero copy. I don't need to have encoder. You're absolutely right. But you don't have a path either. Of course you don't have a path. You have a path. Path. You don't even await them. You need to unwrap. Unwrap. Please give me less error. Load from path. Oh, you don't have the user. Ah, I see. Zero copy. No, come on. Oh, you're right. You're absolutely right. Use archive. Archive. Serialize. Deserialize. So don't forget about the bytes. Yeah, but you forgot about them, right? Let's do this like that. 7 failed. Importing, trying to understand what is the real problem. It's not a value. Wait. Yeah, of course it's not a sync. User logged and migrate. Oh, 32. Easy fix. 7 failed. One more time. 7 failed. But why? Okay. God, I've got... Now we have our cave there. I go test. What else? 81. This must work fine. That. Seven. Then 37. Okay, 37. Got it. What else do we have? Okay, again. Go. 7 failed. What kind of reason 7 failed? I got it, the dog test is failed, but why? 52. Reload from... Wow, reload from what? Better. It's better and better. 7 failed. I want to fix at least one. And then I will fix them later, but you got the idea. I just have a lot of tedious work. Give me 6 failed. Nice. What is the problem with the bytes? I'm really curious. What is the problem with bytes? Show me. Show me the bytes. Bytes mode. Here we go. My bytes. Bytes. Flow bytes. Okay. It seems good. Use the encoder. I don't have encoder. So I need to use Serde-flow, encoder, vscode. Okay, should be 5. So at least the idea is clear to me, and I'm still going to work to fix the errors inside of doc test because it's quite important, but I really like to see that functionality is finished, and I finished the most important, not the most important part, but I finished the part where you can use bytes migration here. So now we can implement in-memory migration types if you're using some online libraries, or you're going to use this for your network protocols. You can simply use this library, the Serde-flow, and you can migrate your binary structures quite easily. You see how I'm doing here? So we have just implementation, bytes, encode, and it's done. So thank you very much for watching. How you mentioned that before, please left the comments in the chat, or if you're doing that on YouTube, please send some comments to me, and I would be really happy to see that that you are interested in my work. And thanks for watching, and I hope this stream will not be blocked because of the copyright music. But anyway, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye. No, wait. No bye. Follow me on Twitter, like Ivan Byte. Subscribe on YouTube with the Ivan Byte TV. The same, follow me on Twitch, Ivan Byte TV. I will appreciate that very, very much. See you next time.